HCLTech has reported a profit beat. Revenues are up, AI is growing, cash is at an all-time high, and yet the stock crashed nearly 10%. So what did the market see that everyone else has missed? Let's start with the one number no one is talking about. In Q3, HCLTech closed $3 billion in deals. In Q4, that number dropped to $1.9 billion, a 43% collapse. Management says deals are deferred. The pipeline is still strong at $8 to $10 billion. But the market is asking a very different question. If the pipeline is so strong, why didn't it convert? Then came the real blow. HCLTech guided fiscal year 27 growth at 1% to 4%. Street expectation was at about 5 to 8%. That gap is massive, and it tells you one thing. The company does not have visibility on demand. More importantly, they raised guidance in Q3 and cut it in Q4. Q4 revenue grew just 0.32% sequentially. That's flat in a quarter that is usually strong for IT services, which means seasonal demand didn't show up, and then Q4 went into a stalling mechanism. Fiscal year 27 becomes uncertain. Now, here's the headline everyone is celebrating, which is AI revenue crossed $620 million annualized. Sounds impressive, but here's the catch. That's just 4% of total revenue. And more importantly, AI is offsetting decline in traditional business, not accelerating growth. So if AI slows down, there is no backup. Revenue is growing, but profit is falling. Full year net profit is down 4.3%. Margins are shrinking. Wage hikes, subcontracting costs, restructuring, AI investments. That is a death by 1,000 cuts. And here's the bigger problem. HCLTech operates at 17 to 18% margins. TCS and Infosys, they are at about 23 to 25%. That gap is not closing. It's unfortunately widening. Now, of course, when we look at the growth by region, we see this. Rest of the world grew 17.8%. India grew 5.7%. Europe grew 4.5%. The United States, just 2.3%. And the United States contributes 64% of revenue. So the largest market is actually the slowest growing at the moment. Management says pipeline is $8 to $10 billion, as I'd mentioned earlier, but only $1.9 billion is closed. So either the pipeline is not converting or demand is slowing faster than is expected. The market chose its answer, and here it is. HCL Software was supposed to be the next growth engine. The target, $4.3 billion by fiscal year 27. But Q4 showed weakness. So if growth slows down here, the entire conversation actually starts to get dismantled. AI is growing, but not fast enough. Core business is slowing. Margins are under pressure. Demand visibility is weak. And the deal pipeline, unfortunately, is not converting. But here is the front page take. HCLTech exposed the reality of the entire IT services model in the AI era. Growth is slowing, AI is not scaling fast enough, and the old engine is starting to crack. What do you think? We would love for you to tell us in the comments below. Please do let us know. And if you've enjoyed this particular story, well, this is the kind of in-depth analysis and deep dives you will not find anywhere else. We at Front Page are closely watching this space like never before. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.